Yeah, hello friends. So today I will show you how do you connect your pen drive with your TV and what and all functionality it will provide with the Samsung TV. So you just need to insert the pen drive over here. As you can see, I already inserted it. So I will just show you. Just I will just remove it and I will insert it again. Okay. So I have inserted it again, and so it is now there. You can see once it is inserted, you will see the screen like that. New device has been already detected. You just need to click on the browse. So once you directly, then it will open uh, your pen drive documents. So I will just go to one of the document. Okay, so I will just show you what and all things it will provide, then maybe you can explore the things at later stage. So here I have just one folder which contains the pictures. So it will give you the flexibility to um, do the slideshow of all the images. Okay, so that is one thing it will provide, and at the same time you can play some songs as well. So that is the wonderful functionality. So here I will just open this. So here you can see the filter by. So in this filter by you can see all the things you want to see: videos only, photos only music related items or recorded. So these are the things. So if whatever the things you will choose, it will just continuously play that one. So title, here you can see the title of it, like how do you want to short, and options like refreshing. So I will just go to one of the images where you can see. So I just now you can move to the how do you navigate to the different images just by click and drag side of your from your remote, and you can see. However, if you want to move to the certain image directly at the last image without seeing all the images, you can do directly this way. Okay, so now that is also possible. The one more thing here, it is, as I mentioned, you can um, continuously use the slideshow. So slideshow effect, in the slideshow effect you can see there are many options given over here. So all the things you can do. One more thing it will provide is like it, if you have a 360-degree images, it will be able to play that as well. You can see the that image. So this is not a 360-degree image, but you can see if it is a 360-degree image, it will do like this. Okay, so these are the things it will provide. And you can optionally, like once you are running with the slideshow, uh, you can do, see, one more thing. So zoom and zoom out is rotate the screen, you can do rotating as well. Okay, and it will go to the options, background music. So here you can see, suppose this is the piece you have already done the slideshow. So you can choose the select file for the background music, so it will continuously show that as well. And slideshow speed also you can adjust, like slow, normal and fast. So certainly, like it will give that flexibility as well. So overall, like this features looks okay, and which is certainly, like suppose you are not watching your TV, and certainly you can put into this mode where it will continuously show you the images with background music. So it is very good, I can say, like if you, and this will be a very useful feature. So I think you will like this video, and if you want to use your TV for continuously slideshow and with background music, or continuously only music, that also you can do. Okay, so I hope you will like this video, and maybe if you require, you can use this feature as well.